Hello kids, today we will draw a cute unicorn pencil. So let's start. First, draw the unicorn horn. Draw it like a pointed cone. Well done. Now draw some lines inside it. Good job. Now draw the unicorn hair. Draw wavy and curvy lines, like this. Now draw the unicorn ear. Good job. Now draw a big curvy line, like this. Now draw a big curve and connect the lines. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Look how great it's looking. Now draw the unicorn face. Draw a line, then make it curve and connect it. Well done, we almost completed the unicorn. Now let's draw the eye. Draw a circle, then slowly fill in the color. Make a small nose, like this. Look, we've completed the unicorn. Now draw the pencil. First, draw a line like this. Good job. Now draw another line, make it parallel. Now draw the pencil tip. Make it pointed, then color the tip. Good job. Now draw a small wavy line like this. Now draw 2 lines inside it. Well done. Look, we've completed the unicorn pencil. Now make it more cute. Draw a heart shape like this. Well done. Now draw another heart shape, and it's done. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. It's looking very beautiful. So let's color it. First, use red color and color the heart shape. Outline it first, then slowly fill the color. Good job. Now color the other heart also. Do the same thing. Outline it first, then slowly fill the color. Well done. Now use pink color and color the unicorn hair. Color the tip like this. Now color the hair. First, draw a line like this. Color only half the side of the hair. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Look how cute it's looking. Now use the color and color the middle part of the pencil. slowly and don't make any mistakes. Lastly, color the unicorn horn, and it's done. Well done! Now use yellow color and color the hair. Color the tip, then color the hair. Again, draw a line like this. Now carefully fill the color. Well done! Now color the pencil also. Color the left side of the pencil, then color the unicorn horn. Good job! Look how great it's looking. Lastly, use blue color and color the hair. Make sure not to color the wrong part. Now color the pencil also. Well done! Lastly, color the unicorn horn, and it's done. Look how beautiful it's looking. Now again, use pink color and draw a small line in the ear. Good job! Now draw a curvy line on the unicorn's face like this. Draw the curved line, then slowly fill the color. Now color the pencil tip. Use skin color and color it like this. Good job! Lastly, use white color to make the drawing more shiny. First, draw a circle in the eye. Then draw another circle, and it's done. Now draw lines on the pencil like this. Draw lines on the pencil tip also. Lastly, draw lines on the hair, and it's done. Good job! We complete the drawing. You know what? I really like unicorn. Look how cute and colorful it's looking. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.